So today I'm mounting a new exhaust manifold catalytic converter assembly on this RAV4 2009. And I didn't like the looks of these nuts. They've been taken off and on a number of times and they're rounded. They're supposed to be 12 millimeter, but some of them are just not even biting. So I'm replacing them with some stainless steel ones. They have to be torqued to 25 foot-pounds. I don't know if stainless steel can go that high. These are 13 millimeters, so it's a little bit larger and a little bit more heftier nut than the originals. And what I'm doing is I'm putting a flat nut, a flat washer, a lock washer, and the flange nut to tighten it down to 25 foot-pounds for each of those. I've got the 3 ones mounted and I'm putting the top 2 ones now. Notice that I'm putting copper anti-seize lubrication on those. So here we go. We're going to see if it's going to work. All right, all 5 of the nuts have been installed to 25 foot-pounds. I was worried that these stainless steel nuts wouldn't be able to take it, but they did, and they seemed like they had no problems. It wasn't like they were about to strip or anything either. I noticed that on each one of these you have put a flat washer, a lock washer, and then the flange nut, the locking flange nut on all of them. So now underneath there's 2 bolts that connect this manifold assembly to the exhaust pipe, and those need to be torqued to 32 foot-pounds, I believe it is. So let me go and do that. Oh, if anyone's interested, the part number on those lock nuts and or flange nuts, lock washers, and flat washers, that's what it is. I ordered this on Amazon. All right, so these bolts didn't want to tighten up to 32 foot-pounds. They got up to 20, and then it didn't seem like that did any better. I was scared I was stripping them, so I stopped. If this is a problem, then I'll revisit it, but for now we're just going to leave it. Next on the agenda is drain the transmission fluid and replace the pan, because this one is caved in right here. Also replace the filter. This car has 134,000 miles. The transmission fluid looks okay in it. I assume it's been changed. Otherwise, it might be a mistake to do this at 134,000 miles. Also, I'm wondering if there's any water in the fluid, because I still think this might be a flood car. So we're going to find out right now.